The government's greatest honor is to serve the people, for the people are the only legitimate fountain of power, and it is from them that the constitutional charter under which the several branches of government hold their power is derived. James Madison. As Madison declares, the founding fathers created the Constitution for the people, the true rulers. To paraphrase the National Constitution Center, this document empowers the people, structures the government, and regulates the government. The Founding Fathers created it in 1787 to transform the Articles of Confederation's weak government into a proper servant of the people. In particular, this document introduced the three-branch system, comprised of the legislative, the executive, and the judicial branches. As the book A Patriot's History of the United States points out, America was a young nation, newly free from British monarchy, and some feared that this document would reapply the monarchical chains. However, as the preamble to the Constitution declares, the Founding Fathers did not create the Constitution to hinder the people, rather to perfect their union, establish lasting justice, and secure the blessings of liberty. While it did take 78 years for the Constitution to oust slavery, this document declares the endowed freedoms of American citizens and reveals the early framework of America's early government. The Constitution was paramount in the organization of America's early government, specifically in the development of the tripart three-branch structure consisting of the legislative, the executive, and the judicial branches. Legislative branch. As the Founding Fathers decided, the legislative branch consists of the House of Representatives and the Senate, which together form Congress. For the House, it receives one representative for every 30,000 citizens, while in the Senate, it receives 2 senators from each state. As the United States House of Representatives report, the legislative process points out, among the duties of Congress are passing bills. For a bill to pass, it must first go through the House and the Senate before the President decides whether to make it a law. The Founding Fathers also created Congress to handle commerce regulations, financial responsibilities, and the right to declare war. Executive branch. According to the Constitution, the executive branch includes the President and the Vice President, who both serve a 4-year term. The responsibilities of the President include being the Commander-in-Chief of the Army, Navy, and Militia, submitting treaties, and nominating ambassadors, consuls, and Supreme Court judges. Moreover, the responsibilities of the Vice President are being the President of the Senate and fulfilling the President's role at critical times. As the United States Court's website points out, the designers of this structure created its branches to work together. Judicial branch. The book A Patriot's History points out that to handle legal disputes, the Founding Fathers devised the judicial branch. This branch consists of inferior courts and Supreme Courts, who had judicial power over all cases regarding the Constitution, laws, and treaties. When cases dealt with ambassadors, public ministers, or consuls, the Supreme Court handled the cases, while in smaller cases, such as a dispute between 2 citizens, the Supreme Court had appellate jurisdiction, which the Legal Information Institute defines as the right for a court to hear the appeals of lower courts. Appellate jurisdiction also includes the right to overturn the ruling of the inferior court if necessary. With this branch in place, the Founding Fathers created a system to handle their country's legal clashes. In conclusion, this system boasts the checks and balances that aided in the development of America's early government. This system is in place today, limiting the government and elevating the people. Thank you for your time.